Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello tea lovers. In this video I will explain how to make a tea, guiding you through each step for a delightful brew. We begin by selecting your favorite tea, whether it's a robust black, a delicate green, or a soothing herbal blend. The foundation of any great cup is fresh, filtered water, so make sure yours is of good quality. Also, using a clean teapot or mug is essential to ensure no lingering flavors interfere with your perfect cup. Let's get started. The right water temperature is crucial for extracting the best flavors from your tea leaves. For black teas, bring your water to a full boil, reaching approximately 212 degrees Fahrenheit. However, green teas are more delicate and prefer cooler water, ideally around 175 degrees Fahrenheit, to prevent bitterness. Herbal teas are quite versatile and can generally steep in boiling water, allowing their full aromatic properties to develop beautifully. Now for the steeping itself. A good rule of thumb is to use 1 teaspoon of loose leaf tea or 1 tea bag for every 8 ounces of water. Gently pour your perfectly heated water over the tea. For black tea, steep for 3 to 5 minutes to achieve a rich, full-bodied flavor. Green tea, on the other hand, needs only 1 to 3 minutes to avoid becoming bitter. Herbal teas are quite forgiving and can steep for 5 to 7 minutes, or even longer, for maximum infusion. Once your tea has steeped to your liking, promptly remove the tea leaves or bag to prevent overextraction. This ensures your tea maintains its intended flavor profile. Now is the time to personalize your brew. Feel free to add sweeteners like honey or sugar, or perhaps a fresh slice of lemon, if that's how you enjoy it. Pour your beautifully brewed tea into your favorite cup and take a moment to savor the comforting aroma and exquisite taste. Cheers to your perfect cup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.